Now we will do what is the best time to sleep and get up. Research has been done that the best time to sleep is about 2200 hours till 0400 hours. In this 6 hours, you will get the your full requirement of good quality sleep. So you should sleep before 2200 and get up anytime after 4 o'clock. If you want to sleep more, no problem. 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7. But this timing is important for sleep. These 6 hours you must be sleep as far as possible. Now these sleep cycles, they are 2 hours each. Each cycle is 2 hours. So the first cycle you will get from 2200 hours to midnight. Second one midnight to 0200 and then 0200 to 0400. Now each sleep cycle, as you start sleeping, you will get alpha waves. So that is a light sleep. After few minutes, maybe half an hour or so, you will get beta waves, which are deep sleep. And in this you also start dreaming. You get rapid eye memory. Sorry, rapid eye movement. And now what happens when you start dreaming? Your brain cannot differentiate between actual incidents and dreaming. So brain thinks whatever is happening is actual. So because of that, your eyeballs start moving. Your eyes are closed, but your eyeballs are moving. If you see someone in this stage, you will find his eyes are muscles around his eyes are closed, but these muscles around the eyes, they are twitching. That means he is dreaming, and his eyeballs are moving inside. Eyes are closed, but the eyeballs are moving. So that's why it is called rapid eye movement. So this is the deep sleep. And then say about 20 minutes or half an hour before midnight, then you get a very deep sleep. Those are called delta waves. Your body receives delta waves. These delta waves are very deep sleep. There is no dreaming that time. You are just like a dead man. And these delta waves are required for relaxing your body. So then at midnight, this cycle is finished. You might get up for a second and then go back to sleep again because this cycle is finished. And then the same cycle starts again. Again, you get alpha, beta, delta here. So you get 3 delta waves till morning 0400. So that relaxes your body. So if you sleep like this, you don't need to sleep in the afternoon if you are a day worker. But suppose you have missed out on one cycle or all 3 cycles or 2 cycles, you slept at midnight instead of. So you are only getting 2 cycles. So your body might not be relaxed. In that case, if possible, you can have an afternoon nap from 1300 to 1400 hours. This 1 hour will also give you this cycle and it will give you the another delta wave. So 3 plus 1, totally you can get 4. You require only these 3, but if you have missed out, you can have an afternoon nap.